Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand, designer brand from Paris, from France, and this is called Gorgeous Rech. Gorgeous Rech is a designer brand that they've been around for more than 20 years, and their main business is clothing, especially for ladies, but they have few fragrances in their lineup. I would say around 20 or so, some for men, some for women. I unboxed and reviewed few of the fragrances before, and each of them was very impressive, especially for the price. So when I saw this new release from them, it's called Just Silver by Gorgeous Rech, I have to get it. So this one's called Just Silver by Gorgeous Rech, and it's Eau de Perfume 100 ml, is aimed for men. As always, presentation with Gorgeous Rech, especially for the price, is amazing. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great and they're hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to do so. I leave them in the link as well. If you want to invite me to coffee, you could do that as well in there. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much, and I see. Let's go. Okay, so let's go. So all white with silver writing. As always, attention to detail is very, very good with Gorgeous Rech. And here we go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. This one in United Kingdom you can find it under £30. And let's see how it smells. Okay, very attractive box. Quite simple but nice design to it, and the main thing is it protects the bottle. Okay, so let's go with the bottle. And the bottle is gorgeous as always. Gorgeous Rech, always they make very good bottles and sprayers and everything about the attention to detail is very, very good, especially for a price. So as you can see, quite a heavy bottle, very, very heavy actually. Wow, super heavy bottle, and it's got this plaque which is like silver and also metal effect to it, and it says Gorgeous Rech, Just Silver, and it's got embossed in and the Gorgeous Rech look on the top. The cap is plastic but it's got a weight to it, and the atomizer is silver and modern. And here we go. Very good atomizer. So far so good. Everything about it shouts good quality, especially for a price. So here we go. First sniff, first impression for Gorgeous Rech, and this is Just Silver, Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and it's aimed for men. And here we go. First sniff, first impression. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Because it says Just Silver, I wasn't expecting this at all. So basically it opened like Creed Aventus, and what an opening. Beautiful, fruity, uplifting, beautifully done. I wasn't expecting that. Believe me, I didn't know anything about this. I just bought it and I wanted to review it for you, and because it said Just Silver, I was expecting something else, something fresh fragrance for summer. This is in line with other videos I've been making for the last few weeks, that is fresh summer, and this is definitely a fresh summer. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So basically Creed Aventus inspired fragrance, but fresh. So it's very, very fresh. At the moment there is no smokiness to be seen, there is no heavy woods, it's just fruits and florals. I can smell fruits and the florals. There's about pepperiness to it for some reason, but it opened with bergamot and black currant, and also a little bit of pineapple in here, which is quite nice, you know, because usually the majority of the copies of Creed Aventus or clones or inspired fragrances, they don't get the opening correct. With this one, the opening is very, very similar to the fruity batch of Creed Aventus, which is amazing. Yeah, I can smell some apple, black currant, little bit of definitely bergamot and lemon, and also a little bit of pineapple. And I can smell the florals, the jasmine, the rose. But at the moment, for the first impression, I can't smell any smokiness. So it looks like it's going to be a fruity batch of Creed Aventus. So many people prefer that. I love all batches of Creed Aventus, so I don't mind at all. But it's very fresh, very refreshing, it's very happy, it's very bright, because it doesn't have those heavy woods, and also the birch. There is a slight birchiness to it, but there's no smoke to be seen right now. Yeah, a little bit of patchouli in the base, and a little bit of that ambergris feel to it as well, and it's a little bit mossy, and it's woody, most likely to be cedar rather than birch, but I can detect a little bit of birchiness in here. But it's very creamy, it's very smooth, it's very rounded, and it opened very fruity and happy and uplifting and floral in the same time. So this looks like, as I said, in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, development, and also the is it going to be smoky side or fruitier side of things. But right now, for the opening, it looks like it's going to be a fruity side of Creed Aventus. But what a beauty! I didn't expect it to be Creed Aventus inspired fragrances, first and foremost, and second, I didn't expect it to be this good. Very close to Creed Aventus, the fruity batches. And also it's very well done, it's very well rounded, and it's smooth. It's very good perfumery, very good ingredients, especially for a price under £30. Sometimes if you are you know, patient and do your research, sometimes even you can find it cheaper than that. So for that price, for 100 ml Eau de Parfum, the only thing is with Gorgeous Rech, their perfumes, they smell great. The only thing is they don't last that long. In my experience, around 4 to 6 hours, majority of them. So let's see if it gives us something even around 6 hours or so, then it's going to be a bargain, and we're going to have a very good fragrance on our hand in terms of performance. But if it doesn't last that long, then it's going to be a little on the disappointing side. But let's see how it goes. At the moment, you're feeling room, so it looks like it's going to perform. Oh my god, it's very creamy. The vanilla is coming up, and the vanilla is very smooth, and it's very not very sweet, but it's quite sweet, and the sweetness plus those fruity aspects, and the floral is making it very happy, very summery. This is definitely for summer, very good for this time of year. Is ageless because it's fruity batch of Creed Aventus, or inspired fruity batch of Creed Aventus. So it's very friendly, so anybody can wear it from 15 to 150. And in terms of occasion, it's very opulent at the moment. It's super sensual and sexy, so I would say this is good for going out, but obviously because the price is right, you can use it anytime, anywhere you like. So I would say it's a Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, formal occasion, informal occasion, casual, special occasion, anything you want. At the moment it smells quite special. In terms of sex, unisex, definitely anybody can wear it. It doesn't have anything in here to making it over masculine, although it's quite masculine, but definitely unisex, and to my nose at least. And in terms of the season, this is better suited for warmer weather because it's very fresh, and it's very happy, it's very bright. So unless it's got oomph to it and it lasts a very long time, then you can use it in winter as well. But right now, let's see how it goes in the next video. I'll let you know the rest of it. But for a first impression, absolutely yes. Gorgeous Rech done it again. They always make good perfume for a price, and this is no exception. Absolutely, yes, yes, yes. You know me, I love my Creed Aventus DNA, so I'm very, very happy. Although it was a big surprise to me, but it is a good surprise. I'm happy with it. I give it 2 thumbs up for a first impression. I'll let you know the next everything else in the next video. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful, you could do that. I leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. You don't know what you're missing. Every day I get messages from everywhere in the world. Please send it to this, send it to that. I can't do it, unfortunately. The post doesn't allow me to do it. But if you are one of the lucky ones in the United Kingdom and you are curious, just buy one of my perfumes. There are 20 of them in my lineup, and see how it goes. See how the quality. The first thing it hits you is the quality. It's one of the highest quality ingredients, oils in the world, because it comes from my country, Iran, Persia, and we make perfume oils, one of the best, if not the best in the world. We've been making it for more than 5,000 years, so we know a few things about perfumes. And they are unique, they are artistic, they are mysterious, they are like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are superbly enjoyable because the quality is one of the highest you can get. There's no alcohol, there's no preservatives, there's no synthetics, just pure perfume oil for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. And if you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.